Yeah, 830.
You can't do it good, but you are rock same way. Real level, the girl them do it. Rock so, dip so. So it's Jamaica's Emancipendence. That was Boga, by the way. And I am still in celebration mode. And you can see that Craig is in celebration mode. Because you see the t-shirt, you see the sweater, celebration mode, Jamaica. So today we want to play a game called Who Is That?
True, I couldn't find my camouflage, you know.
And did I come with?
Yeah, because I did reparations.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find my camouflage, so I just go with
You see the red and black. You see the red and black. I still come Pan-Africanism. There.
All right, so how the game go do?
How it go?
All right, so we will each take one of the cards on the table, provided by our resident Mad.
Awesome.
Producer, or assistant producer. She's producer today.
Yes, Christine.
So we're going to look at the names of the cards. Well, we're going to hold up the cards, and each card has a name. And the other person will give us clues so that we can guess who it is that's on the card. Now, all of these persons are Jamaicans who have made us proud in one way or another. So, Nisha,
yes.
Are you ready? I see you looking for clues underneath the table.
I am not ready
There are
at
no
all.
clues.
I am not ready at all.
Underneath, wait, make us shuffle them. Because I know you did look.
I didn't look.
So make us shuffle them. All right.
Okay. This young man started father, son.
Father, son.
ATL.
Butch Stewart.
Yes.
Gordon, Butch Stewart.
Yes. I was struggling, but I got it.
Yeah, well, you tell
I got it.
Son.
I got it. All right, are you ready? So I'll show it to you, right?
Yeah, you have to hold it above your head.
Is it upside down?
Yeah.
I'm nervous, guys.
All right, so very renowned dancer.
Dancer.
He's a dancer.
Okay.
What was he at UE again? So he was a lecturer at UE as well. Big Professor UE in...
Professor Rex. Rex Neckerford.
Correct.
Nettleford.
Ralston Rex.
Professor Rex. Professor Rex. NDTC. I got one, people.
NDTC. That's what I never remember.
NDTC, yeah.
It's not good. I need to remember these things.
That would be really bad if I didn't get that one. Can we do another one?
Christine never given a clue. You know a clue.
Let's do another one.
No.
Actress, I believe. I don't have no clue.
And it's a Jamaican actress.
Jamaican.
Very, very famous or just mildly?
Very famous. Old school.
Internationally?
Yes. Old school. Show the picture of them so we can show.
Shirley Lee Ralph?
No. First name starts with M.
Mad Sinclair. First name started with M.
First name Coming to America.
Yeah.
See?
That would have worked.
Yeah. Oh,
Your turn.
We did that one already. I don't like these games. Ready?
Mm-hmm. It's upside down again.
Upside down again. That wasn't me.
Okay, so the Whalers are three people. Bob Marley, Bunny Whaler, and...
Peter Tosh! No, listen. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Okay. Many rivers to cross.
Elton John, a joke. Jimmy Cliff. That was easy. That was easy.
But I can't seem to find... Oh, me. I think mine are better than yours.
Upside down. It's easy. Pocket rocket.
Shelley and Fraser Price. Can you imagine if I said,
So wait, so what we do? Tie? You should I get that one?
Oh, he believes in not wearing shoes. And he also believes in polygamous relationships. No shoes.
Yes, Rasta.
Hey.
I believe.
Hey, what you believe?
None of that. The one and only Muta Baruka.
Hey.
Yeah.
See, that was good.
Yeah.
That was some good cues.
That was very good.
That's all I knew. I was like, listen, if it's upside down, I give up.
What's going on?
Just read it, man.
It's upside down.
Okay.
All right, make it difficult now.
Don't make it difficult, babe.
So this person used to have a very, very popular TV series that used to air on television, on JBC at the time. It's a comedian.
At the time,
Yeah.
and he used to do
Back in the
plays.
day, it's a comedian. He
plays.
used to do
And
plays.
him have one thing about the airport when he was in the airplane.
And him would wear the ears muffins.
Is his first name starts with a who?
It starts with
And I think he's
yes.
been like, even MBE, OBE,
And him,
Mr. Oliver Samuels.
Yeah.
I think it's the Honorable Oliver Samuels,
That's
isn't he
easy.
now? I think
Yeah.
he's an honorable.
Oliver. And him even have music. Oliver, you large.
Oliver Yelage.
Me no.
I say go. Isn't that?
This is the
done.
last one.
Look at us. Oh. Are you guys ready? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Me learn this at school. I'm glad to see you come back, boy. But Lord, you let me down. Me shame my yourself to the whole of my pride drop flat a ground. You mean say you go to America and spend 6 whole months there and come back not a piece better than how you did go, eh?
But
Who is that?
Barbara Gludan. Oh, wow. A joke. Louis Bennett. Hey, we don't say I miss Lou. We know I miss Lou. No, we know I miss Lou.
I remember that from back in the day, from when I was little. I did that when I was like
I have a confession
7.
though.
What?
So I think we're even though. I think we're tied.
Yeah.
But I have a confession.
What?
And it's shameful.
What?
I don't know
No.
Miss Lou poems like that, you know. I don't know
So
them
are
at
you
all.
saying I am Jamaicaner than you right now?
Don't be ridiculous.
That right now. Cause me didn't know the whole of that.
You mean right then?
Right now in this
No,
moment.
your moment come and gone.
In this moment.
You
Wanna hear my
can't.
good play? Wanna hear it?
There is no
Wanna
way.
hear? I'm gonna do it.
Anyway,
Word for word
that
from the
is it.
youth.
On that note, nobody know why you're that. Please remember,
Make
everybody.
glad to see you come back, but who know that? Sure.
First, may I hear it. Please remember to check in on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in.